Let's take a look at how to set up price extensions in Google Ads. Now, I don't have any set up currently in this account, or at least in this campaign. So we'll basically be starting from scratch here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to campaigns, and then we're going to select a campaign from the top here. At least I like to do this at the campaign level. You can do it at the account level if you want. But then you need to go under assets here. And then I like to select price, which will just show us only the price assets. Obviously there's nothing here, but when we click plus, it will take us right to setting up the first price asset here. And this can be done in three areas: the account level, campaign level, or ad group level. So depending on whether you want this to only be associated with a certain campaign or a certain ad group, or maybe your entire account, you can kind of determine that by just selecting the correct area here. So for this one, we're just going to do it for this campaign, and you can kind of select the most intuitive for some of these, like English, USD, like your currency and your language and stuff is probably going to be pretty intuitive to figure out. And then for some of these, like the type of price asset here or extension, you're going to want to choose whatever is the most relevant. So, you might have specific services that you're selling, and there might be even a qualifier. So, our average SEO service client is, I don't know, $5,000 a month, 2,000, 1,000, whatever it is, right? This is just a random example. You could do lawn service, right? Maybe your lawn service starts at, or is averaging at $100 a month, or excuse me, per week. I don't know, maybe it's per month. However you want to do it. Maybe it could be 200 per month, 500, whatever, right? So lawn. I meant to say lawn service. Well, let's just say our lawn service is $100 a month. Keep in mind you have to have at least 3 assets here in order for the price extension or price asset to be able to be set up properly. So we're going to need to fill out 3 of these. So we might have something like lawn service, weed control, and I don't know, maybe we also do pest control while we're out there. Maybe this is also $100 a month, and weed control is $50 a month or something. Of course, you can set this however you see best fit for your specific use case, but I just want to show you kind of how to set this up, right? From here, we can add a description, and this, you can do some cool stuff with this. You could add something like book now, which is a call to action. So I would like standardize this everywhere. This is going to help you get more conversions. There are, other ways that you could do this. You could say, like 500 square foot lawns and below or something, right? That's not even going to fit, but you can have some sort of a description here that either gives people additional information or has a call to action to get them to take some sort of action, right? Like book now. And then we would also want to put the page of our website here. So something like, lawn care, where people can go and learn more about these specific, because they're going to be able to actually click on these extensions. And if it's an e-commerce business, if we're setting this up for e-commerce, we would just go right to the product where somebody can just buy it. You know what I mean? And then you can have the product name here. You can have the price of the product. So this could be set up for a service business, a e-commerce business, really any type of business. Because business has to do with usually exchange of money. So depending on your specific use case, you could fill this out however you see fit best, our best fit, and then just click save here, and that's going to associate these price assets or extensions with your specific campaign or account or ad group, whatever level you set it up here at. And then we will see those appear in here, where we will then be able to start to see some data associated with those extensions. So I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comments section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.